Howdy folks, how y'all doing today? Welcome to the San Antonio River. My name is the boat captain for the next 30 minutes or so. Before we go too far, we just have to go over safety rules. Same old stuff really, don't stand up, don't smoke. We have 31 brand new life jackets under the doors up there. We never had to use them, they're just in case. The majority of this entire river is only waist deep. Sinks. Each river makes a natural horseshoe shape to the center San Antonio 20s. We'll really put this thing in the map of the world. This area up in front of us is what we call lobby. This translates to the village in the 1700s. This is a Spanish church. Tear down any old building or structure without protection with the conservation society first. Just talk a lot about that. Right inside we have a little island over here. This island is what we call Mary's Island. We average 2-3 weddings a day in the summertime mostly. This is a very popular place for folks to get married. This island is naturally from the building next to the West End was the pharmaceutical warehouse in 1919. Today, that's the Homewood Suite Hotel. We don't tear down any old buildings. We're going to turn them all into hotels. If y'all look high and to the left, you look way up on top of the tower-like building up there, you see gargoyles hanging on the top of the building up there. The gargoyles are used as functional water stops. So the rains real hard. The rainwater comes up. We're getting ready to go over one of our floodgates. The gate lays at the bottom of the water. This opens up like a drawbridge. This closes this into the river water. See the scratches in 1933. This bar opened the next day. This for the World President Dwight D. Eisenhower was a baseball coach at the university in 1916. The height is going to be wider than this tall. The reason for that is the alamo sits on the other side of this building. The reason why is you built this thing 30 stories tall. Conservation Society said you would catch the shadow of the alamo at sunset. On the War Memorial, out of respect, this is why we have this entire thing to be kind of a cross between the medicine and the shop and restaurant. Later on the evening, we'll have dinner boats on the most of these restaurants.
Je sais pas ce que c'est, non, ça va être un café. Allez, on va l'appeler en passant. Mr. Husband, the architect who designed this, he was so proud that Sir Walkie put his own office at the bottom. San Antonio in Spanish language is San Antonio, so that's how we ended up with our name. The statue has an left-hand sidewalk number up there. Left-hand side, the line. The picture is all the way to the space. It took one man 2 years to go through. San Antonio, so we were able to run these boats year-round. The only time we ever started is down the first week in January. The first week we drain all the water in this river completely to do maintenance repairs. During that time we always have big parties, all in mud baths. We have mud king, mud queen, and a mud parade. We need much excuse right here to have good parties. Number one thing they find in the river every year is still silverware. After that, sunglasses, cell phones, everything. You know, the tortillas are always there in corners because the Germans will offer us flour. Half-hour tortillas come stable for us. Chicano music, if Christian music, sound about the same because the San Antonio, of course, has always been a very big military town, so World War I come along, a lot of church
built after the fall of the Alamo, built there in 1868.
on the fourth Sunday of every month. They still have a choir that sings here in the German language. When Joski's wanted to build their department store right here, they wanted to tear that church down. You can see one that argument, right? The bit the thing right around the church.
Joski's is long, the church is still. Every big city has a conservation society. Ours are just meaner than everything. Because of them, we have something to talk about.